Hi guys! Samahan niyo pala kami
Hi guys!
mag-vlog ni Ate Algie.
Hi!
So guys pala, ang gagawin naming challenge is, ayan. Nakikita niyo ba yan? Ayan o. Ayan.
Okay.
Can you guess the word by emoji? Emoji quiz challenge. Yan yung gagawin namin. At samahan niyo kami. Tara, tara, tara! So, ayan guys, ready na kami ni Ate Algie. So, mag-start na tayo. Sige.
Mag-start na kami.
Yes, start na natin.
Oh geez. Got 80 puzzles waiting for you, and you'll have just 10 seconds to figure them out. Think you can do it? A big thank you to everyone who left a comment last time. You guys are the best. Some of you even made it into this video. Wanna see yours? That was too easy, huh?
Yan. Strawberry milk.
Nanoy mo?
Strawberry milk.
Oh, mauna ito.
Pindutan lang.
Pindot.
Ikaw muna pagsagot. Pagsagot.
Strawberry glass.
So, sige. Pindot.
Nice guess.
Strawberry
The
milk.
answer
Okay. Nanalo, 1 point.
1 point. Next. Diretsyong
is-
tanala.
It's
Okay.
not time. Your choice.
Ito sino? Ito na ayan.
Dito.
Dito ako. Dito na lang?
Gift 1. Tell us your all-time favorite drink down in the
Ano
comments.
kasi ito?
And give this video a big like. Your tasty pick might get a special shout-out in our next episode. Gift 2. Hit that subscribe button to
Kadam mo sa kanya.
Gift 2.
Then
Gift
Batalastas.
2 ako. Hindi kasi yan. Ang tawag yung gift mo yan. Kasi kailangan yan nila i-subscribe. Dahil gift ang matanggap ko. Subscribe.
Starfish.
Starfish. Oh, starfish.
Yay!
Starfish.
Dawgak na. Chos.
Starfish yan.
Great job.
Let's
It's
play Starfish.
swimming under the sea. Come on, you know this
Ice
one.
cream. Ice cream. Ice cream.
Oh, ice cream.
Ice cream dyan.
Ice
Pwede
cream.
ko kasi magduha at magdaog.
Okay.
Yan guys yung class quiz namin.
It's ice cream, everyone's favorite treat.
I-post na muna ate. Post na. Guys, yung plot twist namin dito is kunyari, kung sino na lang yung nauna, siya yung panalo. Guys, so okay.
Kung sino yung nauna sumagot, siya yung ano.
Siya yung panalo.
Okay.
Tapos kung sino yung last, siya yung talo. Ulitin natin.
I-edit na lang yan.
Sige, edit na lang namin. Start na.
Kailangan to talaga. So, kaya i-edit na yan.
Yes, edit na lang namin, guys. Nampakin. Sorry.
How fast can you solve this
Chair
one?
Y. Rocking chair.
Sure, why?
Up.
Naninig?
Chair.
Chair you.
Chair you. Ay, pang.
Lalo kayo may patalas.
Chair I. Chair Y. Aha. Chair you. Chair you. Rocking chair.
So,
Chair!
it's cherry.
Cherry. Nag-gray away. 1.
Rockman. Rocky man.
Okay man?
Rockman. Rockman.
Well done.
Caveman.
The answer is
Pang.
caveman.
Oh, keep
Back to the Stone Age.
Napaka-bobo naman.
Can you guess the word?
Baby
shark.
fish.
Baby shark.
Baby fish.
Baby shark.
Shark.
Baby shark.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Yay.
baby shark.
Chut-chut-chut-chut-chut.
Kita na, ikaw.
Yeah.
Closely and lock every character in the
Spider-Man,
even one slip away.
Panda, tapos, ayun,
Kailan kayo may halo siya nga iba pa? Dapat
Spider-Man, tapos zombie, fish, shark, baby shark, tapos panda and pig kasi si Batman.
Si Batman ba ito?
Ambot kasi nito si Atman dapat.
Okay. Spider-Man,
Si Spider-Man. Okay, Batman.
si Panda, si Pig, si Baby Shark. Baby Shark!
Ano, mag-TikTok tayo.
Iktokit na naman yan.
Wala. Ambot eh.
Alright, genius, here's your challenge. Can you remember where Peppa Pig was hiding?
Ade.
Pig number 5.
Ay, ito. Number 5. Number 5.
5.
Number 5.
Incredible! Peppa Pig was hanging out
Panalo ako.
Your memory is seriously on point. What
Kala-
order these emojis
Ah,
Ocean,
Ocean.
Shokoy. Shokoy man ito. Ocean,
Ocean.
Deep. Ocean Deep!
Dick. Ano?
Ah. Island
Jokoy.
Okay, pabayiton.
Ocean. Shark or ocean?
Shark ba siya? Mali siya Shokoy
Chok.
na mali siya kuwan.
Ocean of Demon.
Ocean of Demons. Ocean Deep.
Ocean Deep? Ocean
Joke
of
lang.
Demons.
Exactly.
Sea
It's
monster.
Scary, but kind of cool too.
Wala. Ano? Hot cake. Hot
Choco.
chocolate.
Hot choco.
Hot chocolate.
Hot choco ako.
Hot chocolate ako.
Hot chocolate.
Oh! Uy, mas parang mas
chocolate.
marami yung panalo.
Difficult for you. Keep it up.
Pizza House. Pizza House.
Sa house, so.
Pizza House.
Mali ka kuro sa pagkuhan-kuha.
Pizza House.
Perfect. It's Pizza
Pizza
Hut.
Hut.
Ha? Paano ito naging hot?
Kubo
How about
kasi.
this one?
Di man hot ako po.
Nanonay ni sungo.
Songo.
Kuan.
Ano?
Woody.
Wood why?
Woody.
Woody. Ba?
Hello, try.
Woody. Woody Lord.
Woody, straight from Toy
Kaya di
Story.
ba kanina cherry? Cherry is Y, so cherry. Choco.
One of these emojis does not.
Okay, doon na lang
At
kasi
tumano, adero. Ini man o, iton.
si Woody.
Ayan o, guys. Ayan o, ayun.
Sino yun?
Ayan o, yan yung taong nakaganyan.
Ito.
Yung nakaganyan.
Ito?
Ay, ito. Ayan.
Nicely done. You
Yan.
away. Your observation skills are
Uy,
next
walang
level.
sinagot. Parang ako
Okay,
na yung
sinagot.
panalo ko.
Ito na, daw yun na, mapais na ka sa ako.
Look,
Hala ko na joke kadla. Nano na ini?
Panda.
Panda.
Oo. Panda.
You got it. The
Panda.
word is panda.
You
Only
got
10 seconds.
Cake.
Hurry up.
carrot cake. Oh, carrot cake.
Oh, carrot cake.
Carrot cake.
Matik na ito. Mani ka, iyasin ni Natkuan.
Carrot
Nice
cake.
work. It's carrot cake.
That's my favorite. And my favorite.
Diyan makam napalit carrot cake.
Nagtuwid
Fried
ko sa-
chicken.
Oo, fried chicken. I make one. Air fryer. Air fryer. Oh, there's an air fryer eh. Air fryer.
Fried.
Fried chicken is
Fried
correct.
chicken.
Try guessing this word.
Ball.
Cow?
Ball. Cow.
Cowboy.
Ball cow.
Cowboy.
Cowboy.
Wow. Kay post natin.
Burger
King Burger.
King. Burger King. Burger King.
Baliktadin mo, King Burger ito nada.
Oh. Burger King yata.
Burger King.
Oh!
Unbelievable.
Kalisto.
Smart.
Burger King.
Think fast. What's your guess?
Facebook. Face ear. Face ear.
Please, sir.
Face ear yata. Face ear.
It's
Fair.
So
Fair.
cute.
Fair. Nyaw, 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 nyaw.
Look carefully. There's one
Doon na laki
here that
tub-tub.
does not have a buddy. Can you spot the solo one?
I-post.
Guys, nga na kami tub-tub. Kay, iba naman namon himoon.
Yes, guys. Wait lang. I-post muna namin. Para namin malaman ito.
Go.
Guys, ako yung nanalo dyan, oh. Ayan, oh. Yan, oh, na ano.
Yan
Ito,
na,
oh. Yan, guys, yung napili ko. Sige, hintayin lang natin na matapos.
Ano to? Dapat nga dikit natukot sa camera.
Great.
Ah! Nanalo!
Nanalo siya.
Awesome job.
Is nakasak niyan.
Hala!
Mapakaampan niya sa ubos sa lunch.
Ako sa lunch. Kaya daw ko gusto, ah.
Papakawan anak niya yan sa lunch. Okay. Nga dinala kami tub-tub.
Kasi guys, mag-TikTok naman kami. So, thank you sa mga nagsusuporta dyan sa amin. And I hope you like our vlog ngayong
Yes.
araw, guys. Kasi guys, yan naman ang gusto namin ay sumikat. Yan lang po ang gusto namin. Ay, sana po may mag-subscribe sa amin sa ALDT choice namin, guys. Andyan lang. Kung gusto nyo mag-subscribe.
Ilagay namin sa
subscribe.
comment yung link.
Opo.
Thank you. Bye.